Welcome to SAEs with Tech, where smart living meets real solutions. What if your dream home didn't require a mortgage, didn't take months to build, and didn't tie you to one place? Sounds impossible? It's not. Introducing the folding prefab home, a fully built, expandable, and affordable home, delivered right to your land and ready in just a few hours. This isn't just a structure, it's freedom. Freedom from rent, freedom from stress, freedom to live life your way. It arrives pre-installed with everything you need: insulated walls, waterproof and windproof structure, electrical and plumbing systems, a real bathroom, not a camping toilet. And yes, it expands up to 40 square meters of livable space. For young couples looking to own a home without years of debt. For digital nomads building their dream space anywhere. For Airbnb hosts growing their income. For families needing extra space for a parent or guest. For off-grid adventurers living in nature, in comfort. Traditional homes cost hundreds of thousands. These, just a fraction of that. And they start earning you money if you rent them out. They're not just affordable, they're profitable. Loved what you saw? Want to get one for yourself or start earning from it? Click the link below to check it out. Get your folding prefab home. Now don't wait. Smart homes like these don't stay in stock long. Thanks for watching.